Hello, my name is Aditya Firmansyah. Today I will present about a fishbone diagram. My fishbone diagram is a drug abuse. The contents, uh, there are several important points. The first point is people. There are peer pressure, family problems or neglect, and mental health issues. And the second method, there are inadequate drug education, poor law enforcement strategies, and lack of rehabilitation programs. The third is materials. Weight, there are weight availability of drugs, poor regulation of prescription drugs, and synthetic or chips drugs on the market. In the last year, there is an environment. There are high crime neighborhoods, easy drug access, and social acceptance of drug use. Drug abuse is driven by a combination of interconnected factors. From a personal perspective, peer pressure, family conflict, and mental health issues often cause individuals to turn to drugs. This happens because they seek comfort or escape from emotional pain because some people lack emotional support or live in unstable households. They become more vulnerable to drug use. As a result, they may develop an early dependence on harmful substances. From the education and policy side, the lack of proper drug education causes many young people to underestimate the dangers of drug use because they are not fully informed. They may try drugs out of curiosity or misinformation. At the same time, weak law enforcement and limited rehabilitation programs cause the system to fail in preventing and addressing addiction problems. As a result, drug abuse continues to spread without strong resistance. The environment also plays a crucial role because some people live in high crime areas or communities with easy access to drugs. They are more exposed to drug use and illegal activities. This causes drug behavior to seem normal in their daily life. As a result, more people may begin to experiment with drugs due to social influence. Lastly, the availability of drug causes increased temptation, especially when prescription drugs are poorly regulated or when synthetic drugs are sold cheaply. Because drugs are so accessible, if even those who are aware of the risks may still fall into usage. As a result, preventing drug abuse becomes more difficult, especially in vulnerable communities. In conclusion, drug abuse is a complex problem because it is influenced by personal, social, environmental, and systemic factors. Each factor causes a chain reaction that worsens the situation as a result. Each factor causes a chain reaction that worsens the situation. As a result, tackling drug abuse requires a combined effort that includes better education, stronger law enforcement, supportive communities, and tighter control over drug availability. That is my presentation today. Good night and see you.